In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add more than 3 variants on Shopify. This is helpful if your products have multiple sizes, colors, materials, styles, or other custom options beyond Shopify's default variant limit. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look at the left side menu and click on Products. Next, either create a new product by clicking Add Product or open an existing product you want to edit. Scroll down to the Variants section. Normally, Shopify allows up to 3 product options like size, color, and material. To go beyond this limit, you'll need to use a Shopify app designed for advanced product options or unlimited variants. Now, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for apps like Infinite Options, Global Product Options, or Bold Product Options. Choose the app that best fits your needs and click Install to add it to your store. After installation, follow the app's setup instructions to create additional product options and custom variants beyond Shopify's standard limitations. You can then add extra choices like custom text fields, drop-down menus, image swatches, personalized options, and more depending on the app features. Once your new options are configured, save the product and preview it on your Shopify store to make sure everything displays correctly for customers. Adding more product variants helps improve customer experience and allows shoppers to customize products more easily before purchasing. And that's it. You've successfully added more than 3 variants on Shopify. Thanks for watching.